when the variable is in the argument, then you're going to put the equation into exponential form. So you're going to rewrite it in exponential form. So here I have log base 8 of 3b plus 7 is equal to 2. I'm going to take the base of 8, raise it to the second power, and that will equal the argument. So I have log base 8 I have log base 8 of 3b plus 7 equals 2. Therefore, 8 to the second power equals 3b plus 7. 8 to the second power equals 3b plus 7. 8 squared is 64. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides. We get 57 equals 3b. Divide both sides by 3. 3 goes into 5 once with 2 left over, and 3 goes into 27 9 times. So b equals 19. When I take 19 and check to make sure it's not extraneous, 3 times 19 is positive, and a positive plus 7 will also be positive. So 19 does not cause the argument to be less than 0. So we are in good shape there. B equals 19 is an answer. Okay, let's try another. We have log base 5 of negative 10v minus 8 is equal to negative 1. I'm going to take the base of 5, raise it to the negative 1 power, and that is going to equal the argument. So 5 raised to the negative 1 power is equal to negative 10v minus 8. Now 5 to the negative 1 power is 1/5 equals negative 10v minus 8. And I'm going to show you something nifty here when it comes to clearing a fraction. So I have this fraction. I want to get rid of that fraction, and I've got 3 terms in the equation. I'm going to multiply each one of them by 5. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So the 5's cancel out, and I get a 1 equals negative 50v minus 40. I'm going to add 40 to both sides. (41) equals negative 50v. I divide both sides by negative 50, and I get v equals negative 41 over 50. Now, if I put negative 41 over 50 back in, negative 41 over 50 back in, I'm going to get a negative times a negative. So I need to do this math. Negative 10 times negative 41 over 50 minus 8. So this negative times this negative is a positive. So that's 410 over 50 minus 8. When I cancel out the zeros, I get 41 divided by 5. 41 divided by 5 is a little bit bigger than 8. 8 a little bit bigger than 8 minus 8 is positive. So that's going to work because we want that argument to be positive. So v equals negative 41 over 50 is an answer. Okay, log base 6 of 9 minus x equals 0. We're going to take that base of 6, raise it to the 0 power, and then that's going to equal the argument. So 6 to the 0 power equals 9 minus x. 6 to the 0 is 1. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 8 equals negative x. 8 equals x. When I take that 8 and I plug it back in, 9 minus 8 is positive. Therefore, our answer is x equals 8. X equals 8. Okay, here's a couple for you to try. Go ahead and see if you can try this and get the hang of it on your own. Press pause and then come on back and press play when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, welcome back. I had 11 squared equals 3k minus 5. That's 121 equals 3k minus 5. I added 5 to both sides. I got 126 equals 3k. Divide both sides by 3, and k equals 126 divided by 3, which is 42. When you put the 42 back in, it keeps the argument positive, so that would be a solution. And this next one, go ahead and press pause, and when you're ready to come back, press play. Okay, on this next one, we have 5 cubed equals negative 9v minus 9. That's 125 equals negative 9v minus 9. I add 9 to both sides. I get 134 equals negative 9v. Divide both sides by negative 9. I get a negative number. And I think it's just negative 134 divided by 9. So if I put that in my calculator, if I think about it, actually I'm going to plug it back in because it doesn't simplify. So I'm going to plug it back in. Negative 9 times negative 134 over 9 minus 9. So the negative times the negative is going to become a positive. And the 9's cancel out. So I have positive 134 minus 9. That's 125. Therefore, because this 125 is a positive argument, we are going to be in good shape with our answer. It doesn't cause an extraneous solution. So negative 134 over 9 is our answer. Okay, last one for you to try. Truly try this one all on your own and come back and check your solution. Okay, I got 6 cubed equals 10x minus 8. That's 216 equals 10x minus 8. I add 8 to both sides. I get 224 equals 10x. I divide both sides by 10, and x equals 22.4. When I plug it back in, 22.4 times 10 is 224. 224 minus 8 is positive. So that is indeed a solution. So 3 different types of equations that you'll be solving, and this concludes the last video.